any noble idea that comes around. I want to tell the people of Nyamira that we have wasted some time backwards. Kurumbano, mambo ya marumbano hapa na pale. We resolved as an assembly that we don't want to hear any marumbano tena. We want to work with you, Your Excellency. The only thing we want is consultation, the way we have been doing it. We have met about 3 times, and we are grateful. The results are seen. And if we move that way, we will never remain backwards. Our county is great. We are here for 5 years, then thereafter, our wakikubali, after next year, this year, next year, tutaenda kwa hawa. Si mtukubali tukirudi vizuri. Yeah. So Your Excellency, we said we are ready to work with you. Tutembee na wewe, ukiche manga, mimi ndio nakuombea kura manga sasa. I want to work with you for this remaining time. Seriously, on a serious note. Because we have been given a mandate by the people to serve them, and we must serve them well.
Pamoja. Konya, timo kama tainga tutam. Ngorera iga nyaribo tutam. Governor, miki tunomba. Wakisema wewe ni 2 term na mimi bana waseme pia mimi ni 2 term, nisikue 1 term. Hiyo tu ndio naomba. Mimi naitwa
support this initiative. I wish going forward as a government we also embrace them during recruitment. Let them join respective areas where they are able to work. We embrace them so that we can motivate others to join the same process. We want to initiate a social engineering process whereby we transit from university to vocational training. We have several graduates outside here with the diplomas and the degrees searching for white-collar jobs. There is no white-collar job now.
That 8 out of 10 of your departments ziko totally compliant. Kazi inaendelea, barabara mvua ilikuwa kidogo lakini zimeanza. Class ECD zimeanza. Markets na vitu zingine hospitali zimeanza. Kuna department 2 Your Excellency, department ya agriculture na trade. Wao ndio wamebakisha projects kidogo, ukaze mkazo ndio wafanye wananchi wafanyiwe kazi. Kitu ya mwisho kabisa, niambie wana